Hi everyone, it's Nadia from YARNutopia. It's WIP Wednesday, so I just thought I would hop on here and say hi to everybody. How are you doing this week? What's on your hook? Share a photo. If you're on Facebook, let me know what you're working on. If you're on YouTube, just let me know what you're working on. Type me a little comment. I would love to hear what's on your hooks and see what's on your hooks on Facebook. Right now I'm working, I think I showed last week part of this corner to corner project. It's taken me a little while. I want to make a big blanket with it, but I'm using this ombre style yarn. It's really pretty in this purple color, and purple is one of my favorite colors, so I really love this, and I'm excited to finish it and film a tutorial for it and share it with all of you. But speaking of tutorials, I got my Crojo back. Thank you so much for all the encouragement and the messages and all the comments everybody has been sharing. It looks like the sun is coming out. I really appreciate all the love and support for me getting my Crojo back. It's just been very difficult for me to sit and like focus and concentrate on a project, so I was able to finish something. So I posted the Misfit Monster Hat. Here it is. It's so cute, and I posed Nasser in the pictures with it, and he is so adorable in it, and it fits him perfectly. In the pattern though, I do he's waking up, he knows I'm talking about him. I do share the different sizing for this hat in the pattern, so you can make this bigger, make it for yourself or for your baby or a baby. But this is the finished product, but I did make one in red that I wanted to show. This is kind of like a prototype, and so you can see the teeth I did differently. I made them upside down or right side up, however you want to take it. And then this green hat here, I put the yellow embellishment of the like stitching around here, and this one I did not do that. So I played around with it a little bit, and you can make your teeth upside down or right side up, or you know, add the embellishment with the eyes. It's totally up to you. Sorry, the lighting is changing because the sun is like going behind the clouds. So yeah, I made these hats and they're super cute, but this was the one I did the tutorial on and shared this on YARNutopia. So if you haven't seen it yet, go check it out on my YouTube channel or on YARNutopia.com. I will put the link in the description of this video so you can follow along with this pattern, because it's a lot of fun and it's really cute. And that's on my hook. That's what I just finished, and I'm working on this corner to corner project, and I got this new yarn here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to rip this open. I got this new yarn from Red Heart Yarns. Big thank you to them. This is a Fleck yarn. It's called Latte Fleck, and it's Comfort. Red Heart Comfort yarn. Have you worked with this or used this? It feels really nice and soft, and it's sort of, I guess, it's more of like a medium yarn, yeah, like a worsted weight, similar to like Super Saver, but this has little flecks of color in it. I don't know if you can see it very well, but there's flecks of different colors in it, like blacks and whites and stuff. Very cool. And I do plan to make another blanket with this, but before I start this blanket, I have to finish this blanket. So we've got a few blankets on the hook, but I'm excited to finish these and at least get them started. Yeah. And we are going to have some more tutorials out. So I'm really glad to get my Crojo back, and I'm just really happy to get crocheting and sharing these tutorials with everybody. But my son is waking up, so I'm gonna go and take care of him. So I just wanted to hop on here and check in with everybody. I hope you have a great week. Next week is Shark Week. I know I mentioned that last Wednesday. So next week is Shark Week. Let me see your shark patterns if you've made them. And I loved seeing your patterns last week. And all of you guys just leaving your comments and leaving me all that inspiration really boosted me to get back into it. So I was really happy about that. So thank you all. Love this community, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Happy hooking!